I am being sued by a sergeant of the Chicago Police Department. A good legal defense can be pricey, so a GoFundMe has been set up in my name. On the GoFundMe page, you can find all documents that have been filed and are of public record. This includes the removal to federal court and the motion to dismiss. All files are available whether you donate or not, and I urge you to look over that paperwork. If you choose to donate or are one of the ones that have generously contributed to my legal defense, thank you very much. The link is down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.